हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको सर रोजर एट चर्च बाय जोसेफ एडिसन के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है आई एम ऑलवेज से लेकर द सुप्रीम बीइंग तक। रेफरेंस दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द एसेस Sir Roger at Church written by Joseph Addison. Context: this essay is of great importance because it throws light on the character of Sir Roger. In this essay, first of all, the writer throws light on the importance of Sunday. He believes that Sunday should be respected as a religious day. In this essay, the writer presents the importance of religion in human life. Explanation: this writer points out that when he passes his Sunday in a village, he feels great pleasure. According to him, Sunday is the most important day because on this day the pupil can adopt the holy path of life. In this way, this path can polish and civilize the whole mankind. During 6 days, the pupil remain busy in their works, so they forget the difference between the right and the wrong. But on Sunday, they are free from their works, so they can think like great thinkers. The writer points out that if Sunday had not come again and again for the pupil, they would have become wild and uncivilized. The fact is that on this day the villagers meet with one another and they show their best habit on this day. They remain very careful about their duties and their prayer. Next, Sunday क्लियर से लेकर द बेल रिंग तक। एक्सप्लेनेशन: The writer comments that Sunday has a good effect on the people of the countryside. First of all, it has a good effect on their best appearances. Sunday becomes very important for him because it removes the bad effects of the routine work of 6 days. It provides the freshness to the human minds. Human beings remain busy during the 6 days. It is Sunday that gives a fresh change of them to them. The writer comments that the mind which is rested in worldly matter during the 6 days gets freshness with the thoughts of religion on Sunday. On this day, the villagers gather at the church with their cheerful faces and in their best dresses. So Sunday gives the villagers an opportunity to distinguish their personalities. Church becomes as important for the villagers as the stock exchange is for the people of the cities. Last of all, the writer points out that the village politics is also discussed in the church on Sunday, either before the bell or after the speech of person. नेक्स्ट है माई फ्रेंड्स से लेकर ईवर हियर तक। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द राइटर थ्रो लाइट ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ संडे. ही पॉइंट्स आउट दैट संडे इज द रिलीजियस डे फॉर द Christian. The people of the village remain busy in the religious activities on Sunday. In these lines, the writer points out about Sir Roger, a squire who created an interest of religion in the people of his village. Explanation: the writer comments that his friend Sir Roger is a regular visitor to the church. Since he is a squire of the village, he cares a lot for the development of his villagers. The writer says that Sir Roger has beautified the inside of the church with some text of the Bible. He has also provided the church with a pulpit class. At his own expense, he has railed the communion table. Sir Roger is very serious about his duties to the church and to his villagers. When he first came to his village, he found that villagers were very irregular in going to the church. In order to create an interest in them, he gave each of them a hyssop and a common prayer book. Not only this, but Sir Roger also employed a moving singing master who used to go door to door. The purpose of the singing master was to teach the right tune of the song of Bible. The villagers took interest in the service of Sir Roger. At present, they are really very good singers in the singing of the psalms. Last of all, the writer says that the villagers of Sir Roger's village are more expert in the singing of psalms than the people of their village. नेक्स्ट है एज सर रोजर से लेके सर्वेंट टू देम तक explanation. In these lines, the writer highlights one of the interesting whims of Sir Roger. He says that since Sir Roger is a squire, he rules over all the villagers. He keeps the villagers in a good order. He asks them to go to the church. If there is some person who can sleep in the church, that is Sir Roger. No villager can sleep in the church. The writer further says that during the speech of person, when Sir Roger takes a short sleep, at once he stands up and looks if any other person is sleeping or not. If he finds some other person nodding, either he himself wakes those person or he sends his servants to wake them. नेक्स्ट है several others से लेकर are missing तक explanation. The writer point out that there are many interesting whims in the natures of Sir Roger. These whims of Sir Roger can be seen on certain occasions. For example, during the prayer, Sir Roger lengthens a psalm. He sings it after the rest people have sung it. Thus, the writer further says that sometimes Sir Roger is so much pleased with the matter of his devotion that he pronounced the word Amen 3 or 4 times. The writer presents another whim of Sir Roger that when all the people in the church are on their knees for prayer, Sir Roger stands up, either to count the pupil or to see if any tenant is absent. नेक्स्ट है आई वाज स्टडी से लेकर गुड क्वालिटीज़ तक explanation. The writer point out that Sir Roger has many interesting whims in his character. He remembers an incident in this regard. There was a man named John Matthews who was disturbing the people with his kicking of the shoes. He was doing it during the sermon. Sir Roger began to call his name and scolded him for this mistake. The villagers also know the fact that Sir Roger is a good mixture of whims and merits. The writer further says that the villagers do not mind when Sir Roger acts according to his whims. The writer further says that the whims of Sir Roger have gone a good effect on the villagers. These villagers know that Sir Roger has a good sense and he has many worthy qualities in his character. At the sometimes he has also some whims in his personality. The villagers compare the whims of Sir Roger with his good qualities. They find that these whims are not so much strong that they may mar the good qualities of Sir Roger. That is why the whims of Sir Roger are not condemned by the villagers, but on the contrary they welcome them. नेक्स्ट है as soon as से लेकर that is absent तक explanation. Throwing light on the whims of Sir Roger, the writer point out that every villager has a good respect for the Sir Roger. When the sermon is finished, nobody can leave the church without the permission of Sir Roger. In fact, after the sermon, Sir Roger leaves his seat and comes between two rows either to count the pupil or to see if any of his tenant has not come. At that time, everybody shows respect to him by bowing. Sir Roger asks his tenant about their whereabouts. He asks them why any member of their family has not come. The writer further points out that when Sir Roger takes the whereabouts of some absent person, it is understood that the absent person will be scolded by him. Next, the chaplain हैज से लेकर टू मैरिट तक. Explanation: The writer highlights the good qualities of Sir Roger. He presents the opinion of chaplain about Sir Roger. According to chaplain, on the cateching day when Sir Roger is highly pleased with a boy, he orders to give a Bible to that boy for his encouragement. Sometimes he also orders to give a fillet of bacon to the mother of that boy. Sir Roger has great sympathy with the clerk of the church, so he has increased his salary by £5 per year. Since the clerk is an old man, Sir Roger has asked him to encourage the young boy. Sir Roger has declared that after his death, the clerk will be given a special respect in the church. Thus, Sir Roger has great sympathy for the clerk and he is highly aware of the service of the church. नेक्स्ट है द फेयर से लेके स्टेट ऑफ वार तक. Explanation: The writer comments that there is a proper and good understanding between Sir Roger and chaplain. Sir Roger is a squire and he truly understands the duties of a squire. Good relation between Sir Roger and his chaplain have become more remarkable because in the next village there are great differences between the squire and the person. The person and the squire of the next village often quarrel with each other. Neither the squire does his duty nor the person perform his action properly. नेक्स्ट है द पर्सन इज ऑलवेज से लेकर हिज पैट्रॉन तक. एक्सप्लेनेशन: द राइटर point out that in the next village the person and the squire are always in a state of war with each other. The result is that during his preaching the person condemns the squire. On the other hand, the squire declares that he will take revenge against the person. In order to take revenge against the person, the squire never visits the church. Besides it, he often asks his tenant not to go to the church and not to pay the tax of the church. In this way, the squire has become very harmful for the person and the church. This squire is a man of evil habits. It is a statement of the person. The person says about himself that he is a man of good habits. So this dispute between the squire and the person has created many troubles for the common people of the village. नेक्स्ट है इन शॉर्ट से लेके congregation तक. Explanation: In the beginning of this essay, the writer says that Sir Roger is a successful squire. He performs his duties very sincerely, and the person of his village is very much pleased with him. On the other hand, in the next village, the squire and the person are always in a state of war with each other. In fact, the squire always condemns the person and he asks the villagers not to go to the church. The person has declared that if the squire does not mend his manners, he will pray for him before all the people in the church. The result will be that the squire will be neglected by his own society. The person states that the squire has become an atheist and the cannot tolerate it. Next है feuds of this से लेके believe it तक. Explanation: The writer point out that Sir Roger and his chaplain have good relationship, but in the very next village there is an example of the conflict between the squire and the person. Since they are always fighting with each other, they have become very harmful to the welfare of the common people. These ordinary villagers are very simple persons, so it is very difficult for them to make a difference between money and knowledge. Square is the symbol of money while the person is the symbol knowledge. The writer further says that these simple-hearted villagers are often misguided by the square and the person. Note first, the writer passes a positive satire on the vices of church and the square. Second, the writer uses very impressive prose style which contains very simple words and clear expression. Third, Addison was a social critic of his age and these lines throw light on this fact. Thanks, best of luck.